number 29, number 22, number 18, and number 12. Whoever wins this game will advance to the next round. Okay guys, whoever wins this game will advance to the next round. Okay. Number 94, Levante, foul.
Number 12, foul. Into the head.
Second goal. Basket. Okay. Number 18. Number 18. Pass number 22. Number 22. Pass number 29. Number 29. Pass number 22. Send ball. Send ball. Number 6. Shot no good. Number 9. Pass number 15. Number 15. Number 15. Pass number 9. Pass number 24. Number 24. No good. Rebound by number 9. No good. Basket again. Number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Rebound by number 29. Foul. Number 19. 6 minutes and 27 seconds remaining time.
No, bro. I'm not good. Okay. Please bring water. Yeah, please. Okay.
Okay, number 15. Number 12.
Over everyone. Achievement this ball. Ten seconds to shoot. 5. Basket. Number 9. Ten seconds to shoot. 12 for 3.
No good. Same ball. Score 6-1 in favor of Chevrolet. Number 18, pass number 22 for 3. Go to ball by number 19. Number 9. Number 9.
Basket again by number 9. Ten seconds to shoot.
7 to shoot. Number 18. Number 18. 14 to shoot.
Kick ball.
Kick ball.
Back to 14.
Number 6. Number 6. Pass number 18. Number 18. Number 18.
10 seconds to shoot.
9 to shoot. Steal. Number 15. Number 15. Basket.
Basket again. Number 15. Tenga.
Five plays. All score in favor of Shelby. Remaining time 3 minutes and 58 seconds. Our next game will be Women's Division, Food Locker versus Hospitality Aces.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game.
5 plays ball.
5 plays ball. 5 plays. Number 25. Number 25, big ball to number 20. Number 28, dribbling the ball. Number 20. Number 28, pass to number 27. Simbaha. Number 15. 8 seconds.
8 seconds.
Violation. 8 seconds violation. Parkless ball. Technical.
My taking on free throw.
1 free throw. We should wear a complete uniform. Players always remember that. No good? Number 25, pass to number 28. Number 28, Nagasan. Pass to number 25. Number 25, drive.
Double dribble.
Double dribble. 3 minutes and 8 seconds remaining time, second quarter. Number 15, pass to number 19, Bismarck. Pass to number 94, Abante. Abante, pass to number 19, number 19, no good. White ball.
Score 10-4.
Our score is 10-4. Number 28, dribbling the ball. Number 28. Number 20, pass number 29, pass number 28 for 3, no good. Pass number 9. Number 19, pass number 94. Number 94 for 3, foul. Foul by number 29. 3 shots.
3 shots.
3 shots by number 94. Substitution.
Sabrep.
Whoever wins this ball game will advance to the second round. Number 94, first throw. No good. Second throw. No good.
One more.
One more. One more shot. Number 94, basket. Number 27. Number 27, dribbling the ball. Number 27, pass to number 28. Number 28. Draw, no good. Rebound to number 25, basket. Our score is 6-11, 5-point lead by Chevrolet. Abante, dribbling the ball. Pass number 19. Number 19, pass number 94. Steve. Number 9, no good. Number 94. Pass to
10 seconds to shoot.
number 9 for 3, no good. Five place ball. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining time. Number 28. Number 28, dribbling the ball. Number 28. Number Pass to number 6, number 6. Basket. Nice pass. Number 9, pass to number 19, pass to number 94. Number 94. Pass to number 15. Number 15, right. Basket. 35 seconds, remaining time. Number 25, no good. Rebound by number 24. Still by number 28. Pass number 6, pass number 27. Basket. Basket. Good ball, good. Good. Defense. Number 15. Take a shot, no good. 10 seconds.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
no.
The score 10-3.
Sila nagbas. Nakanted.
10-13 our score. Picture sa tayo. 10-13. Picture.
Wala akong mismo.
Gawan niya eh. Nakashow.
Five please, picture. Five please. Players, picture.
Pike please. Pike please.
Second na tayo, sige na.
Sa inyo kanina sir. Sa inyo yung posisyon kanina. Unang posisyon.
Yung kanina? Araw.
Starbucks. Yan lang. Brother.
Pike please.
Galing sa kanila ngayon o sa amin?
Sa kanila.
Sa kanila.
Chipot B. Sunod na. Third quarter na.
Ito simula namin eh. Dito yung
Bali tinuturo niyan yung saan.
Apoy kay Piste. Ano balik po?
Okay, second quarter. Second quarter.
Third quarter.
Sigan ba sir? Sigan? Sigan po. Different. Second quarter. Five please ball.
Five place ball.
Five please ball.
Number 24, pass to number 14. Number 14, Dalla. Basket, good. Number 20, pass to number 18. Number 18. Number 18, pass to number 24. Number 24, aggressive. Back to number 18. Number 18.
10 seconds, sir.
Number 18, 5. 2 shots. Pushes foul by number 4.
Number 4 foul.
2 shots. First row. Bahas of 11-13. Whoever wins this game will advance to the second round. Same ball. Same ball. Number 19, Alex. Number 19, Basket. Number 19. 14. Basket. Hey! Number 28. Number 28. 17 to shoot. Number 28. Number 28. Pass number 24. Abresa. Abresa. Number 4 is teammate. Pass number 18. Number 18.
5 to shoot.
5 to shoot. 4. Foul. Foul by number 4 again. Holding foul. Substitution step. Substitution what number? Number 4 out. Number 94 in. 14 to shoot. Number 20. Good. Foul by number 27. Foul by number 24. Legal contact. 2 shots by Jason Simbahan. First goal by Simbahan. Hallelujah. Basket is good.
Mamaya,
Simbahan. Last goal. No good. Rebound by number 14 with Danya. Pass to number 24. Cover. Number 24. Foul. Foul by number 18.
Foul number 18.
Substitution.
Legal use of cylinder.
Substitution. Substitution. Number 28 out. It's 5 plays. Number 25 in. Number 19. Steal. Sportsmanship foul. 2 free throws plus 1 possession.
By foul si number 19. UF.
By number 9. Substitution red. 2 shots plus 4 possession.
Number 9 naman, number 19. Ay, magdami ka.
Second floor. Score 15-16 in favor of Shelby. Remaining time 4 minutes. Hello. Okay, no worries. Basu. Water. Darek is there outside. Outside. Darek.
Okay, magkakaroon again. Chibutli, warning for penalty. 5 plays, first team ball.
Okay.
Problem in the region.
Number 9. Number 24. Fahad. May tubig sa labas. Patuloy mo na itarik. Yung tubig ba? Bay, patuloy mo na bay. Yung tubig sa labas. Number 29. Number 29. Number 15. Number 15.
24.
Tarek and Spring, he said, be ready.
The score 18-15. 3.8.
Number 24. Ready for Number 19. Pass number 15. Number 15. Leading the ball. Number 15. Pass number 9. Number 9. Number 9.
Five to shoot. Fire!
Force out by number 9. Number 18.
Pag-din Beltran.
Number 18. Pass out to number 7. 27 for 3. No good. The ball by number 21. Pass out to 18.
10 seconds to shoot.
3 seconds. Substitution. 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 Number 94. Number 94. Pass number 9. Number 9. Pass number 94. 94 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 58. Number 15. Number 15 losing the ball. Number 15. Foul.
Foul.
By number 24.
Legal use of number
14 to shoot. 1 minute and 22 seconds remaining time. Number 19. Number 19.
10 seconds to shoot.
Get a shot. No good. Rebound by number 28. Number 28 losing the ball.
1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. Second quarter.
Substitution. 20 more out. Number 6. Number 22. Number 8. Number 8. Passes. Number 94.
35 seconds remaining. Second quarter.
No good. Foul.
By foul.
2 shots.
Foul si number 28.
Foul by number 28.
Third team foul. First personal foul.
First go, basket. Last one. No good.
14 seconds remaining. 10. Bang! Away by number 98. 5, 4, 2, and of the second quarter,
And the second quarter.
25-17.
Our score is 17-25. 8-point lead by Chevrolet. Our next game, women's division, Foot Locker versus Aces.
Okay, third quarter. Give us this one. Give us this one. Give us this one. Third quarter.
Instead of bringing every day like this one.
Ready, Cecil, ready. You guys are here? Mashallah. Chevrolet ball. Hold on.
Siapa?
One of us.
Okay. Give us this one.
First quarter. Number 15. Number 15. Number 15. Pass number 21. Number 24. Pass. Number 24.
27-17.
No good. Starbucks ball. Substitution red.
Correct.
Substitution. Mintanya.
7 minutes and 20.
No good.
Good.
Basket. Number 24. Number 24. Still to number 19. Pass number 28. Pass number 22. Number 22. Pass number 25. Pass number 8.
10 seconds shoot.
Take a shot. Basket. Pass number 19. Number 19. Pass number 8. Number 8. Pass number 8. Our score 23-27 in favor of Chevrolet. Whoever wins this ball game will advance to the second round. Four points lead by Chevrolet.
Okay, one game.
Back to the ball game. Basso. Let's go to 6.
10 seconds shoot.
Number 15, no good. Rebound by number 22. Okay.
Ready to for 3.
Number 24, basket. Number 25. Number 25, passes to 19. Number 19. Number 19, no good. Number 24. Number 24. For 3, no good. Number 8. Number 8, 24. Number 8. Number 8. Pass number 24. 24. No good.
Save ball.
Chevrolet ball.
Sir,
10 seconds shoot.
No good. The ball number 15. Foul. Foul by number 27, Simbaha.
Number 27, illegal contact.
Five plays. 4 minutes and 48 seconds remaining time. Score 23-29 in favor of Chevrolet.
May tatlo tayo ito, Amno. May tatlo ba?
dalawa na sir. Dalawa. Nag-time out na kayo. Yung nakashoot siya. Dalawa na lang.
Back to work again.
Back to the ball game. Two shots by number 15.
Perfect ball. Good. Second. Good.
The second session. Hey! Number 18. 5. Number 15. Number 15 passes number 19. Number 19 passes number 24. Number 24, no good. Rebound number 9, basket. Score 31-23 in favor of Chivalry. Number 27 passes number 29. Number 29 passes number 18. Number 18 passes number 12. Number 12 passes. Number 24. Number 24. Pass number 9. Number 9.
By foul, by blocking foul, si number
By number 28. 2 shots by number 9. Number 9, Prata.
second personal foul, number 20.
First drop. Basket.
Second free throw.
Number 9. Second run, no good. Rebound by number 24.
24.
2 minutes and 48 seconds in time. Number 12.
Second to shoot.
No good. Rebound by number 9. Two minutes and 24 seconds in the time. Substitution. Substitution. Number 12 out. Number 16.
14 seconds to shoot, huh?
14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 15. Number 15. Number 18.
Ten seconds.
Foul.
Foul. Si number 18. Holding foul.
By number 18. Okay. Number 19. Who's the ball red? White ball.
White ball.
Number 18.
2 minutes.
Pass number 27. Number 27. 27. Pass number 18. Number 18. Pass number 15. Number 15. Good. Good. Number 19. Pass number 9. Contrata. Pass number 15.
1 minute and 40 remaining.
Followed by number 18. Number 18. Number 15. Pass number 28. Same ball.
18 seconds to shoot.
A special announcement, there will be no games tomorrow and Friday. We will resume on Saturday. Number 6, pass number 28. 28 for 3. Good. Rebound foul. Foul by number 9.
Number 9 foul.
Substitution. Substitution. Again, the black substitution. Special announcement. There is no games tomorrow, Thursday and Friday. We will resume our games on Saturday. First one, no good. 1 minute. Pass one, no good. Rebound number 29. Pass number 24. Number 24. Number 24, pass number 15. Number 4.
No. Real one by. Basket.
Sub.
Sab, sir.
Palit sir, palit.
One player proceed. Number 22. Number 20 pass number 18. Number 18 pass number 22. 22 for three. Very good. Rebound by number 19. Number 19.
Shoot.
Pass number 6. Foul by number 24.
24 foul.
2 shots. 2 shots by number 6. First one. Last one. 17 seconds.
17 seconds remaining.
Time. No good. Number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 9.
Shoot.
Kontrata. No good. Rebound by number 19.
5.
4. 5. Foul by number 4.
One more time remaining. 24 foul.
24. Foul. Bonus free throw.
Ball free throw for number.
No more time.
No more time.
No more time. One free throw. Bonus free throw. Next game, we have women's division, Foot Locker versus Cisco. Basket. Score
20-36.
in favor of Shelby. Whoever wins this game will advance to the second round.
Number 24, third personal foul. Okay, back to the game. Fourth and final quarter.
Fourth quarter. 5 place ball. White ball. White ball. White ball. Number 18 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 24, pass number 24. Number 24.
Right four. Number 4. Saving line.
Same ball.
And ball 13 seconds to shoot.
13 shoot.
13 seconds.
Number 24. 24.
10 seconds to shoot.
14. Problem. 28-36 in favor of Chevrolet. 28-36. Starbucks. Number 14, pass to number 24. Number 24. Number 24, Patrick. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 14. Number 14. No good. Foul. Pushing foul.
My foul to number
By
8.
number 8.
Pushing foul on Sabrek.
Substitution.
Sabrek.
7 minutes and 7 seconds remaining time. Number 18, Steve. Pass to number 8. Number 8, taking the ball. Number 8, Kudre, take a shot. Number 24. Pass to number 94. Number 94. Number 94, foul. Foul by number.
Foul number 25.
Number 25, foul.
First personal foul, number 25.
14 to shoot. Shoot it great. Pass to number 94. Number 94.
By UF.
Unsportsmanship foul.
By UF. Tayo.
Foul by number
25, UF.
Number 25, unsportsmanship foul. 2 shots. 2 shots. Two shots.
Two shots plus ball position.
Very good. Ball position. Same ball. Number 4.
10 seconds to shoot.
8 to shoot. 5.
Submit. Foul number 4. UF.
Number 4. 2 shots. 2 shots by number 18. Plus ball possession.
First team ball, third personal foul, number 4.
Very good.
Pag-shoot sana.
Substitution.
Plus ball position.
Score 21-46. Part 1 by Shelby. Number 22. Pass number
10 seconds to shoot. 7-1.
Number 24, Baha. Pass number 15. Number 15. Screen by number 9.
10 seconds to shoot.
Number 15, pass number 24. Pass! Big one by number 24, Baha. Number 18. Pass number 8. Number 8, pass number 18. Number 18, pass number 27, 27. Rebound. 24. Pass number 24. Pass number 15. Second of the play. 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 24 seconds violation. Substitution. Substitution.
Last 5 minutes on 22.
5 minutes and 22 seconds. Number 8 pass number 28. Number 28 pass number 6. Number 6 pass number 8. Number 8 pass number 28. 28.
Illegal contact, 3 shots.
3 shots by number 28.
Second team ball, 3 shots.
First drop. No good. Second drop. No good. Last draw. No good. Rebound by number 15. Number 15. Number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 24. Number 24 for 3. No good. Pass to number 8. Number 8.
Robin Evolution. Last 4 minutes and 50. 39, 31 score.
4 minutes and 40 seconds.
By foul.
Ball by number 29. Back plays.
Foul number 9.
Ball by number 29. Timeout Starbucks.
9 no, 9.
29 foul.
Tapos ito tayo muna.
Isa lang.
Sir lang. Starbucks ilang
Dalawa.
Starbucks, you have 2 times time out left, ha? 2 time out left.
Okay, mag-dribble again.
Back to the ball game. 4 minutes and 42 seconds remaining time.
Warning for penalty, 5 please.
Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 7 to shoot. 6. No good. Starbucks ball.
Last 4 minutes and 31. Score 39-31.
Starbucks, you are in penalty already. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Sidestep. Congratulations. Number 19. Pass to number 9. Number 9. No good. Rebound to number 27. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Founded by number 24. Pass to number 20. Number 20 to 3. 3 points by number 20. Number 9.
5-point lead.
Number 9, pass to number 24, number 24, basket. Number 8, score 41-34. Number 20, 2-3, number 15, Starbucks,
Sir, kabila po ni sir. Ayun sir.
10 to shoot. Number 15, no good, rebound.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Number 29 foul. Subtract.
Substitution. Number 8 out, number 25 in.
29 third personal foul. 29 third personal foul.
No good.
First hit, no good.
Last one. No good. Rebound by number 29. Number 27, Jason. Jason pass to number 23. 23 for 3. No good. Good.
Ready for 3.
No good. Number 24. Pass to number 15.
Last 2 minutes and 53.
Number 24. Pass to number 24. No good. Number 28. 28. Pass to number 29. 15 to shoot. Number 25. 25. 25. Pass 29. Penalty. Substitution red. Two shots.
Number 29 foul. Fourth personal foul.
Timeout. Chipotle. No more timeout. Chipotle.
Robos na. Tapos na.
5 plays, you have 2 timeouts. Remaining 2 timeouts.
Two timeouts.
Tapos na. Time out.
No more timeout. Chipotle. No more timeout. Next. We have Brook Butler versus Chesney. Two shots.
Two
Two
shots.
shots, penalty.
Two shots by number 24.
First ball.
Picture ba tayo?
Number 9. Number 22. Steve by number 18. Number 24. 2 minutes. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Number 94 pass. Number 9, no good. Rebound by number 19. Pass number 25. 25, no good. Rebound by number 24. Pass number 15. Number 15. Number 15. Pass number 24. 13 to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot.
9 to shoot. 6, 5, 4, basket. 1 minute and 9 seconds in any time. Score. Tapos score the board. Favor of Chipotle. Number 28, Agasa. Agasa for 3. No good. Rebound by number 9. Pass to number 24. Number 24. 50 seconds in any time. 10 to shoot.
Last 30 seconds.
25 seconds. Number 9. Number 9, pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 9. Number 24. Number 9, basket. 8 seconds in any time.
Last 6.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Final score 49-38.
Chipotle will advance to the second round. Our best player of the game, Moy.
24. 9. Sino ngayon natin?
Number 9. Number 9, best player of the game.
Best player of the game, number 9, Contrata. Contrata, best player. Best player of the game, number 9. Contrata.
Mr. Box,